Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the latest Scan Tool Network video. In this video we're going to do a demonstration of the iCarsoft CR Max, diagnosing and resetting an airbag light in this Mini that we have here. It's a Mini Countryman, but you know the procedure is the same for any other Mini or any other vehicle in fact. So we're going to do, well, we have the tool plugged into the diagnostic port, and before I get into that, I'm going to say that I am going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video, because if that will ensure that you get a genuine and official product. Unfortunately, there are fakes and clones on the market, and they can cause you damage to your vehicle. So if you want to make sure that you're getting a genuine product, then please use the links in the description below the video. Alright, so we're going to click onto diagnostics, and then we're going to select our manufacturer. So it's easy if we just go to EU for Europe, and we need to find Mini. Here we go. So it just takes a few seconds to start connecting. So we'll go VIN identity, which automatically finds the vehicle. You can just click on read and click OK. We always get this message, but just ignore it. Vehicle unidentified. I don't know why it does that. If you still want to continue, just click yes, and then it's found vehicle. So we're going to click on to control unit, which is the system. We'll find the system that we want to diagnose. So we're looking for airbag system, and in this vehicle it's ACSM crash safety module. So we'll click onto that. We can go read fault code, and it's giving us the fault code 93097C. Fault not currently present. I'll come to that in a second. And it's got driver's side airbag resistance too high. Fault currently activates a warning light. So that's the warning light that it's activated. The reason we've got fault not currently present is because, let me explain, we'd previously found a fault in this vehicle. We previously diagnosed it, and when we found the fault it said that it was a current fault. We found a loose connection underneath the driver's seat, which has been clipped back together. So once it's clipped back together, the system recognizes that the fault is no longer there, but it doesn't turn off the airbag light. You do need to do that with this tool. So to do that, we just come back and we go to clear fault memory, and when I do that, you see the airbag light has disappeared there, and we've got a raise operation done on screen. That's the thing I love about this tool. It's just so straightforward and so easy to use, and there's no messing around. You get the job done really quickly. But yeah, it does work on all major manufacturers and all systems within those manufacturers. You can see that's just the European. If you click onto the all option, and could be here for a long time showing you all of the manufacturers that it does cover, but there we go. As I say, I'm going to put the link to this kit in the description below this video, because there are fakes, there are clones on the market, and they can cause you damage to your vehicle, so it's just not worth getting involved with those. But thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.